Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's topic is about basic events in JavaScript. These are the events. Here you can see we have click, double click, right click, mouse hover, mouse out, mouse down, up. Then we have some keyboard events, which is the key press, key up, load, unload, resize and scroll. These are the events used to call the functions. In our previous video, we used to call the function by refreshing the page. The function would get triggered by itself. Here the function will not run by itself. And here it will run when we call the function. To understand this better, we have to do it practically. But before that, let me quickly explain you what these functions actually means. The first one is the click. This is triggered when the user presses and releases a mouse button. This onClick function triggers when the user presses and releases a mouse button. Whereas the second one we have is the double click. When the person quickly clicks the mouse button twice over the same element. That time this function gets triggered. Then we have right click. It is same as that. We have to click the right mouse button. Then the next we have some mouse hover. These are the mouse events in JavaScript. The first one is the mouse hover. These events are triggered when the mouse pointer enters or leaves the boundary of an element. You can see it here. The next one is the mouse out. And the third one is the mouse down and mouse up. These are very simple. This mouse up triggers when the mouse button is released after being pressed. And the same with the mouse down. When the mouse button is pressed down over an element. This is how this events works. To understand it better, we'll do it practically. Here I'll make a hello function. For that I'll write function. I'll name it as hello. Curly braces. Inside this I'll write document dot write. I'll write my statement as hello everyone. I'll close this. To run this function, we have to call this. Let's open this using the live server. You can see here we got our messages hello everyone. This function runs automatically once we refresh the page. To call this function we have to just simply write this hello. But instead of this, if we want to run this click function, then we have to add a event listener to run that function. I'll simply show you that. Inside this body tag, I'll simply make a button. Okay, this is our button. To this button, I'll write click me. Let me check this. See, we got our button here. Okay, there is some error. I'll make it again. We have to make a button. Inside this I'll write click me. Let me check this. See, we got our button here. To this I'll add a event listener. After this button we have to add a event listener. For that, I'll write on click. Inside this double quotes, we have to call our function, which is hello. Let me check this again. If I click on this, see, we got our message. Let me show you again. Here I have created a function called hello, inside which I have written hello everyone, to which I have added a button here. By clicking on this button, our function will run. The name of our function is hello, and the event we added is on click. On clicking this button called click me, the function will run and it will display us the message. I'll show it again. You can see it here. On clicking this button, we got our message saying hello everyone. This is how the events in JavaScript works. For double click, we have on double click. For right click, we have to write on context menu. These are the names for these events. We'll see this one by one in our coming videos. This is all for now. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please share with your friends. Thanks for watching this video.